Namaskara. Welcome to Kia family. Thanks for choosing VST Kia Bengaluru. Okay. We are having three outlets in Bangalore. So one is a Palace Cross. We are having a corporate office in the Palace Cross, and there is a sales outlet is there. Then one more is a Oneness facility at Esrigata Road. So there is service center is available. One more is in Yeshwanthpura. It is having 3S facility that is having service, sales and spare parts. So then I will give some few tips to your vehicle maintenance for the good condition. So one is the ABC, means accelerator, brake and clutch. So accelerator, that will be depend upon this vehicle having Kia vehicles are having very good torque. You need to maintain the torque in the as per your convenience by the pressing the accelerator thing. So then coming to the brake part. So brake is it is a wear and tear item. It is a highly efficient because ABS brakes are there, electronic brake stability systems are there. So you can use the brake efficiently. There is no need to worry on the brake part. So next coming to the clutch. Clutch is having Kia is having manual and as well as AT. Both also is there. So there is no need to worry of the pickup concerns. So it will be there is a more torques are there. So you can use no need to use the off clutch. The vehicle is in very good torques will be there. So vehicle will move in good conditions. So then if you want to maintain your vehicles superb and within no worry conditions, you have to do the regular service of your Kia vehicles. So we are having 3 free services in the Kia product. So first service will be at the 1000 km or 1 month, whichever is earlier. So in this only the general checkup and the checkups will be there. There is no any scheduled service like oil change will be there. Then it will be the second free service will be in the 6 months or 5000 km, same as whichever is earlier. In this also the same general checkup will be there. So then the third free service and final service will be at the every 1 year or 10,000 km. In this they are going to replace the engine oil filter, then necessary things like wheel alignment, wheel balancing, constant thing. So if you do all the free scheduled services, the vehicle will be in super condition for the long time run. Once 3 free services done, the next service interval will be every 10,000 km or 1 year from the last service done date. So I request you to please carry out all scheduled services at the Kia service center to keep your car in healthy condition and with peace of mind. So I request you to purchase the extended warranty for your car with having 5 years of extended warranty with unlimited kilometers. So I request you to please take prior appointments to serve you better, and we are operating with weekends also. So we are having a free pickup and drop facility within the Bangalore city limits. So request you to please avail the services provided from VST Group. So further, thanks for your wonderful time for watching this video. I hope I have provided you the relevant information of your on the service requirements of your new car. So for further any assistance or queries, the contact informations will be at the end of this video.
Kia, movement that inspires.